हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। मैं हूं देवेंद्र साहू और आज मैं आप लोग को बताने वाला हूं जो हम लोग टेंथ के रियल नंबर्स के बारे में जो पढ़ रहे थे। तो हमारा जो इंट्रोडक्शन और इक्वलियर्स डिवीजन लेम्मा जो रूल था आपका वो कंप्लीट हो गया था। इक्वलियर्स डिवीजन लेम्मा रूल जो है वो बेसिकली क्यों यूज़ किया जाता है, क्योंकि हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं उसका हाईएस्ट काउंट फैक्टर निकालने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, या फिर उसको बोल सकते हैं जब कोई दो टाइप का अलग अलग नंबर दिया रहता है तो उसमें बेसिकली हम लोग क्या करते थे, वी वी कैन ब्रेक टू डिफरेंट नंबर्स इन देयर स्मॉल नंबर्स व्हिच वी कॉल देयर प्राइम फैक्टर्स। सो आफ्टर दैट हम लोग क्या करते थे, उनमें से जो हाईएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर जो होता था दोनों नंबर में, उसको क्या करते थे हम लोग निकालते थे बाय यूक्लियर्स डिवीजन लेम्मा रूल। सो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है, क्या चीज है, द फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक। हम फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक में बेसिकली हम लोग को देखने वाले हैं क्या होता है ये थ्योरम। अरिथमेटिक थ्योरम क्या होता है, क्या है, पहले आप लोग को पहले जानना है, ठीक है। तो एवरी कंपोजिट नंबर्स कैन बी रिटन एज अ पावर ऑफ देयर प्राइम फैक्टर्स। मींस अगर हम लोग किसी नंबर को अगर देखें और उसको ब्रेक करें तो क्या है, सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर में वो क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज होता जाएगा। अगर 12 एक नंबर है, 12 क्या है, एक नंबर है 12। इफ आई कैन ब्रेक 12 into their prime factors, then we write like 6 into 12 means 6, and again it will be break 2 into 3, then 2 into 2 into 3 will be your 12, ठीक, okay। So we can write 12 in the form of prime factor 2 into 2 into 3 to firstly you have to know what will be the prime factor before we are going to discuss the breaking system of any number, any composite number. So firstly you have to know the prime number. What will be the prime number? Prime number basically the number which cannot be divided by any other number rather than themselves। वो खुद अपने नंबर के अलावा वो किसी दूसरे नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं होगा, एक को छोड़कर। एक की अगर बात करें तो एक सभी से हम लोग भाग दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक से सभी नंबर्स को, तो एक को छोड़कर जितने भी आपके दो हो गया, तीन हो गया, पांच हो गया, सात हो गया, ऐसे नंबर्स जो खुद के नंबर मतलब खुद का जो है उससे डिवाइड चला जाएगा। जैसे दो दो को मैं दो से डिवाइड करूंगा, टू को मैं टू से डिवाइड करूंगा तो आसानी से टू इंटू टू इट विल बी डिवाइडेड। बट rather than this own self, any number rather than own self, ठीक, it will be not divided by other numbers like 2, 3 and 5. These numbers are only divided by own self. These numbers are not divided by any other type of numbers. So these will be called as prime numbers. Prime numbers are basically, if we can write prime numbers, तो मैं आप लोग को बताना चाहूँगा, I want to tell you prime numbers, which numbers can consider as prime numbers. So here prime numbers will be written as 2 is a prime numbers. If the 2 will be divided only by own self, it will not be divided by any other number. So you have to remember that thing, your 1 will be not considered as prime number because it will be divided own self, and other also it will be divided. So 1 is left. Here we are not consider 1 directly, we can consider 2 and 3 and 5 and 7 and 2, 3, 5, 7. These numbers are numbers which can divide only own self. It will be not divided by any other number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, and next one is your 8 will be your divided by 2, it will be your divided by 4, then it is not prime number. Similarly here 2, 3, 4, 4 will be divided by 2, 2 2s are 4. If we want to divide 4, then it will be divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, so it will also be not a type of prime number, okay. Then we have to go for 3, 4 and 5 will be prime number because 5 will not be divided by any other number rather than their own self. It will be divided on only by own, and it will not divided by any other number. So if we are going for further next number, this will 6 will be divided by 3 and 2. 3 to the 6 and 2 3 are 6. So 3 to the 6 and 2 3 are 6. So 3 will be divided by 2 or 3. So here will be 6 will be also not considered as prime number because it will be divided by 2 or 3. Or we can say the 6 will be composition of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 6 will be made by when we are going to multiply 2 and 3, then 6 will be formed. We can say, and next one is our 7. 7 will be also not divided by any other number. Only it will be divided by their own self. So we can consider 7 also under the prime number. And the next one is your 7, 8. 8 will be also divided by 4 and 2. 4 2 is 8 and 2 2 is 4, like this. So 8 will be not your prime number. Similarly 9 will also be not prime number because 9 will be divided by 3. 3 3 is 9. So 9 will be also not your prime number. So we are going to further 10. 10 will be also divided by either 5 or 2. 5 2 is 10 and 2 5 is 10. So there will be 10 will be also not considered as a prime number. After that we are going for 11. 11 will be your prime number because 11 not divided by any other number rather than their own self. ठीक, only ये खुद से डिवाइड होगा और किसी अदर नंबर से आपका डिवाइड नहीं होने वाला 11. सो हम लोग इसको कंसीडर करने वाले हैं आपके प्राइम नंबर्स में. आगे देखते हैं 11 हो गया, 13 हो गया, इसी तरह and 13 हो गया, 15 will be divided by 5 and 3 and 16 17 will not be divided by any other number rather than their own self, and 17 19 will be also similarly it will be up to infinite numbers are there like 2 3 5 7 7 11 13 17 19 like this number. We have infinite numbers here. There will be a number of prime number. We can say there will be as many as number. We can go for 19 and similarly 23. After 19 23 will be also not divided by any other number other than own self. So we can say here prime number basically a number which cannot divisible by any other number rather than their own self. Okay, so again we are going for a fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Basically what will be the fundamental theorem of arithmetic? What the theorem of arithmetic says? Basically the theorem of arithmetic says every composite number can be written as a power of prime factor. Every composite number can be written as a power of their prime factor. Let us suppose the 42 will be your any kind of number which will be made by 7 into 3 into 2. The 42 will be made by 7, 3 and 2, and also we can write the 2 into 3 into 7. Thus there will be a 2 here. 2 will be your prime number. This will be your prime number. 3 will be also your prime number, and 7 also be your prime number. So basically the fundamental theorem of arithmetic can say that every composite number will be represented by their prime factors. Every composite number will be represented by their prime factors or power of their prime factors. If 2 will be occur 2 times, if 2 will be occurs your 2 times, if we can say, if we are going to discuss here 16, then 16 will be made by your 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4. So there will be 2 occurs 4 times. So there will be a power of prime factor. We can also say there will be a term power will be used for that thing, if the number will be repeated one times or two times in any composite number, this will be your composite number. If there will be, we can say for 84, we can go for 84, then it will be represented by 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, means there will be a 2 occurs two times, 3 occurs one times, and 7 occurs one time. So we can write here the power of composite factor, the power of their prime factor, sorry. So there will be a 2 occurs two times, then we can write here 2 and 3 one times and 7 one time. So we can write like this form of any composite number. Here the product of this prime factor will be your 84. 84 will be your product. So we are going for discuss next again, if you are going to use tree with their prime factor of 32,760 is given by. So here we can solve this in the form of tree. We can solve this in the form of tree. Firstly, we are going to इसको मिटा देता हूँ मैं, तो देखता हूँ मैं यहाँ पर तो मैं देखता हूँ मेरा क्या बनाना है. What we have to do here, if again if we are going to use tree with their prime factor of 32,760 is given by, मेरे को 32,760 मेरे पास आंसर है, मेरे पास एक तो मतलब नंबर है, ये क्या आपका कंपोजिट नंबर है, मेरे पास 32,760 मेरे पास कंपोजिट नंबर है. इसको मेरे को बेसिकली क्या करना है, इसको छोटे छोटे पार्ट में तोड़ना है. इसको क्या करना है, वी हैव टू ब्रेक into small parts in the sense they are prime factors, the smallest number which can divisible only by own self, the number which are not divisible by any other number rather than their own self. Okay, so this will be your smallest number. Smallest prime numbers are 2, 3 and your 5, 7 and your 9 and 11, 7, 11. These are your prime factors. We have to break this 32,760 into their prime factor. So let's start it. Let's start to do method to break this in the form of their smallest part or their prime factor. Prime factor is nothing but the smallest form of their composition. Basically. So here 32,760 is given by 32,760 is given by, like when we are going to divide it by 2, here 0 are present here. 32,760 here 0, 1 0 are present, then definitely we can say there will be we can say the number 32,760 will be we can write 3,276 into 10. In this form we can write this 32,760, means if we can into 10 into this, then definitely we are obtained 32,760 we are obtained. So here we can see the number 2, the number 10 will be formed by 2 and 5. The number 10 will be formed at 2 into 5. 10 will be formed at 2 into 5, and the 32,3,276 will also be represented here, and again we have to divide this. Here the 6, here in last digit 6 means 6 is a multiple of 2. If there will be any even number in the unit place, this is your unit place, the 6 is in your unit place. If there will be any even number, then this will be divided, this can be divided by 2. This number, whole number can be divided by 2. So you have already discussed this in your earlier classes. If the any number which have any even number in their unit place, then this number, this whole number will be divided by 2. So we can divide this 3276 by 2. Then we are obtained what this will be our next tree. We are obtained next tree. This in the form of, there will be a 2 and there will be a 2 3 3 and 2 3 3, and here sorry there will be 2 1 2, and there will be 1 left. Then 2 6 12, there will be 7, 2 3 6, and 2 8 there will be 16 38 will be your another number if we can divide. So like this we can obtain the tree in the form of this thing. So here we can see, हम लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पास हम लोग क्या किए, हम लोग 3276 उसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दिए, भाग दे दिए. तो हम लोग के पास बचने वाला जो अंक है उसको इधर लिख दिया हम लोग राइट हैंड साइड में, और जो जिससे हम डिवाइड दे रहे हैं उसको कहाँ लिख दिया हम लोग इधर साइड लिख दिए. तो इस टाइप से हम लोग का क्या बनता जाएगा, ट्री बनता जाएगा. फर्दर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर से इसको उसको देखेंगे, फिर से इसको क्या करेंगे, फिर से 1638 का फिर से लेंगे, वैसे फिर से इसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे क्योंकि ये डिविजिबल है 2 से. देख लीजिए 2 से डिविजिबल है. 1638 लास्ट में आपका इवन नंबर है, लास्ट में आपका इवन नंबर है, तो दिस विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2. देन अगेन वी हैव टू डिवाइड हियर, अगेन वी हैव टू डिवाइड here also, again 2 divided by, and the number will be written in the form of right side. 2 8 is 16, and 2 1 is 2, and 2 9 is 18. So 2 9 18, 2 9 is 18, there will be 819. Your another factor which will be divided by 2, the 16 38 will be divided by 2, and the result will be obtained 819. If we can go for 819, then this will be also in the form of prime factor. If we can go 8 9 18, it will be divided by 9. Then this can be written as, this will be 8 and 19 can be written as 8 and 19 can be written as this will be divided by 9. If we can divide it by 9, and this will be 91 times given. If अगर हम लोग इसको डिवाइड करें 9 से, तो कितने बार में जा रहा है, 91 टाइम्स में जा रहा है. ठीक, 91 टाइम्स में जा रहा है. तो हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको, सिमिलरली जैसे कि ट्री बनते जा रहा है वैसे यहाँ पास फिर से 898 यहाँ से ये वाला आएगा, ये ऐसे इस प्रकार से, और यहाँ पास फिर से हम लोग को क्या बनाना है, ट्री बनाना है. जो आपका 9 से जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो 9 इधर लिख दीजिए और 91 आपका इधर आ जाएगा. फिर आपको क्या करना है, 91 को फिर से ब्रेक करना है. कितने बार भी जा सकता है, 2 तो प्राइम फैक्टर फैक्टराइज करोगे तो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू फैक्टराइज 91, देन इट विल बी रिटन एज 13 into 17. 13 7 91 होता है. 13 into 7 is equals to your 91. If you are going to multiply 13 into 7, then it will be your 91. It will be your 91. Then we can write here 91 in the form of 7 into 13. 7 into 13. We can write in the form of 7 to 13. If you are collect all the composition of number, here all the factor of number, if you are going to collect this will be basic number 32,760. The 10 will be written as 2 into 5. There will be 2 into 5. 10 will be written as, and this number will be written as here exactly. And we are going to divide by 2 this number. Then this will be obtained 1638. There will be obtained 1638, which can be divisible by 2. Then again we have to divide by 2 because there will be in the unit digit there will be even number. We can divide and we obtain 819. 819 obtained. This will be a product of your 890 will be your product of your 9 into 91. We are going to divide 890 by 9. If you are 9 nines are 81, 9 ones are 1. 9 nines are 81, 9 ones are 1. There will be 91 will be obtained, and after that 91 will be factorized into two categories because 91 is a product of 13 to 7. 13 to 7 will be your 91. So there will be 7 into 13 will be written as like this. If you are going to collect this all prime factors, then we can write here there will be 2 into 5, 2 into 5 into here 2 and into again here 2 into and again we are obtained 9 into 91. 9 into 90, 91 means 9, and this will be your 7 into 13. 7 into 13. We are obtained. This will be your 2 into 5. This will be your 2 into 5, and this will be your 2. This will be your 2, and this 2 is here 2, and again there will be a 9 factor. 9 will also be a prime factor, and the 7 and 13 will be written as 7 and 13 will be written as in this form. So if you are going to if you are going to multiply all that thing, then you can definitely obtain the value of 32,760. You will definitely obtain when you are going to multiply this thing. You definitely obtain 32,760 the value. So here we can write further this into in ascending terms, means आप इस जो नंबर हैं ये सब नंबर्स को आप बढ़ते हुए और असेंडिंग फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. आप कोई भी फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन असेंडिंग फॉर्म में आप लिखोगे तो एक यूनिफॉर्म हो जाएगा, एक अच्छा तरीका हो जाएगा. 2 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद एक ऑर्डर में लिख दोगे तो, या फिर आप कोई भी ऑर्डर फॉलो कर सकते हो. यू कैन फॉलो एनी ऑर्डर फॉर राइटिंग द प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ एनी कंपोजिट नंबर. सो I can write this firstly. I follow the order of the ascending orders of the this prime factors. So there will be 2. Firstly, smallest number will be 2. The number of 2 present here 1 and 2 and 3. The 3 number present here, so there will be a power of 3. 1, 2 and 3. There will be 3 2s are present though. So power 2 to the power will be 3. Then again we are going to 2 and 5. There will be a 5. Only 1 5 will be present, then 1. And if you are going to other thing, then there will be a 7. 7 will also be present one time, and 2. The 9 will also present in one time, and there will be a 13. 13 will be also present in one time. We can write the 32,760 in the form of in this form. We can write in the prime factor, in the form of prime factor we can write the value 32,760. हम लोग 32,760 को प्राइम फैक्टर्स के रूप में इस प्रकार लिख सकते हैं. We can write the value 32,760 in the form of their prime factors. Okay, so we can other thing here we can do. if you are going to solve that questions first, second and third. So firstly we have to solve this, then we are going forward for the next topic. Firstly we can run this. इसके बाद हम लोग देखने वाले हैं क्या चीज, हम लोग देखने वाले हैं आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 विल बी योर द गिवन नंबर 4 to the power n. 4 to the power n you have to given check whether any value of n, the digit of 4 to the power ends with 0. means here the question से अगर आपका एक नंबर है 4 की घात 4 to the power n दिया हुआ है या फिर 4 की घात n आपको दिया हुआ है, तो आपको चेक करना है क्या उसके लास्ट डिजिट में अगर n का वैल्यू हम लोग सीक्वेंस वाइज 1 2 3 पुट करते जाते हैं, ठीक है. n नॉट विल बी इक्वल टू 0. n ओनली दी 1 2 3 4 5 अप टू इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स, बट n विल बी नॉट इक्वल टू 0. okay, n will be not equal to 0. There will be a question if the when n the value of n we are put then the last digit of 4 can be 0 occur or not occur. last digit of like a 50 50 में क्या होता है आपका लास्ट अंक 0 होता है, ठीक है. अगर मैं 4 की घात n की जगह 4 n की जगह 1 रख दूं 4 की घात n में, तो 4 हो जाएगा 4 की घात 1 का 4. अगर 2 मैं रख देता हूं तो क्या हो जाएगा 4 गुनी 4 का घात 2 मीन्स 4 गुनी 4 4 चौक क्या क्या हो जाएगा 16 हो जाएगा. 16 4 into 4 16. there will be a last digit or unit place will be your 6. there will be a no 0 occurs. One thing you have to remember, there will be a 4 into 4, then you have 10 16 16 and 6 your unit digit number, unit place number, and this is not 0. so we have to check this thing in the question. we have to check the whether there will be a 0 occurs or not occurs. then we have to try firstly solve this question. there will be a we can write solution. we have what we have 4 to the power n. we have 4 to the power n and the number n will be equal to 1 2 3 up to infinite. if you are going to put n is equal to 1, n equals to 1 means 4 to the power 1 is equal to 4. if we are going to put n equals to 2, then 4 to the power 2 is equals to 16. if you are going to put n equals to 3, then 4 to the power 3 is equals to 64. if you are going to put n equals to 4, then your 4 to the power 4 will be equals to 16, and this is your 256. here we can see clearly there will be a unit place will be your 4. unit place will be your 4. there will be your unit place will be 6. there will be your unit place will be 4. there will be unit place will be 6. means if you are taking odd number, the power will be your odd number, there will be your odd number, then the unit place will be 4. and this is your even number n equals to 2, then there will be a your unit place will be 6, and if you are taking even number again, odd number, sorry, if you are taking odd number, there will be n equals to 3, odd number 4 to the power 3 will be 64. If you are taking odd number, the 4 will be obtained in unit place. If you are taking even number, then 6 will be obtained in your unit place. This is your even number, the unit place 6 will be obtained. So here, so we can conclude that what we can conclude that here, there will be asking question ends with 0. The digit ends with 0. Ends with 0 means in last place any value here you see any 0 occurs, not occurs. 0 नहीं मिल रहा है हमको, लास्ट प्लेस में 0 नहीं मिल रहा है. जो हमारा डिजिट फिनिश हो रहा है वो कैसा हो रहा है, फिनिश वो कुछ ना कुछ अंक के साथ फिनिश हो रहा है. Here you can see there will be a certain number 6 or 4 according to when we are tagging to n equals to 1, then there will be a 4 of 10 in unit place. If you are tagging the even number or n equals to 2, then the unit place will be your 6. There will be no any 0 obtained in unit place. And means there will be no ends with 0 occurs. Then we can conclude. Here conclusion will be written. Conclusion. What will be a conclusion? There will be no any. There will be no any 0 obtained in unit place. यूनिट प्लेस में आपका कोई भी 0 नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक. Here also one thing, if n is equals to odd, then the unit place will be your 4, and n will be when even, then unit place will be your 6. This is your conclusion. This is your complete analysis of that first question. This will be your complete analysis of the first question. And again we can go for further second question. The second question will be your break into prime factors. 7,000